Hi, my name is Andres Felipe Lugo, and I am going to talk about my family. This is my family tree. Let's go for this. I am 18 years old. I am studying in Uniminut. I like to play guitar, drum, and I like to train calisthenics. I have a brother. His name is Brian Lu. He is 16 years old. He studies and this year he graduates. He likes to play the bass. She is my mother. Her name is Jimena Patiño. She is 42 years old and she is my favorite teacher. He is my father. His name is Miguel Lu. He is 41 years old and he likes to play guitar. He is my grandfather. His name is Orlando Patiño. He is 67 years old and he worked in merchant ship. She is my grandmother. Her name is Marisol Rodriguez. She is 66 years old and she is from Vélez Santander City. She is my grandmother. Her name is Rosalba Ney. She is 65 years old and she is from Santander, Vélez Santander City. He is my grandfather. His name is Genaro Lugo. He is from Caparrapi, Cundinamarca, and he is 70 years old. She is my aunt. Her name is Joanna Lugo, and she is 32 years old. He is my uncle. His name is Duan Lugo. He is 30 years old, and he likes the tattoo, and he likes play the guitar. It's all for today. See you later.